How to join a private FPL league. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you. So to join a private fantasy premier league, you will be needing a unique code from the league administrator. For that, once you are in premier league, look out for the menu in the top and look out for fantasy and gaming. Head over to fantasy premier league and open it up on your screen, and you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you may look out for the option called League and Cup section. Tap on it once you find it up, like this one right here, right beside Transfer. And then you can select the option called Join League and enter the code. For that, look out for this option called Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. And tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will be finding option called Join a League. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can select the option called Join the Invitational League and Cup, not the public one, as we are looking for the private one. Tap on it, and here you just need to go ahead and enter the code from your private league provided by the manager. So just go ahead and provide the code. It usually is a 6-digit, a letter and number combination. After you enter it up, look out for Join League, a similar confirmation button to finalize your entry. And that way you can just go ahead and join the private FPL league that you're looking for. Otherwise, if you have received any kind of email, you can just go ahead and locate the invitation link, click on the URL provided, and that will automatically take you to the FPL website or the app, and you can accept the invitation there as well. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.